All right, back here in the garage, we're gonna make a quick video today on how to check and set your timing when you're running a coil on plug conversion kit. So I've not seen anything about this, so let me show you what we're working with. So when you're running your coil on plug conversion, you can see we don't have the coil pack back here. We no longer have plug wires. You have no source of spark for your timing gun. So what you wanna do is you wanna pull one of your coil packs out. So you just grab one of your plug wires from when you run the stock setup. This happens to be cylinder number 4 just because it's a short run. So I cut the little boot off of here because this was originally angled. This little guy right here, you can see is like open-ended. This is how it's supposed to look. It slides around the little spring inside of your new coil pack. And you obviously can't see up inside of here, but that little metal ring is around the spring in here, and then you just push this onto your spark plug like normal. So then you hook up your timing light like normal. So you can see arrow facing towards the spark plug, ground, 12-volt power. All right, so with the car running, you can see it does not care that that plug wire is in between the coil pack and the, it's still getting spark, it doesn't care. You just come over here on your real-time display. My idle advance is fluctuating because I have idle advance turned on, but it's pretty much, it's 12 to 14. So then all we can do is come over here with the gun, make sure it's zeroed out, and it is, and then we just hit it with the timing light. And you can't see this, but we're bouncing between 12 and 14, just like we were on the laptop. So we're good to go. Obviously, if it doesn't match, loosen up the bolt on your cast, rotate that until it does match, but that's it. I know this is a quick one. I haven't uploaded driving videos yet, just because I haven't shot them. I don't really have a way to put a camera inside the car, but I promise you I'm gonna try to get those out. Hope this was useful, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.